Our financial world is changing. Remember how banks were once the only place you could trust with our hard-earned cash? Nowadays, we're wondering if our bank will survive until tomorrow. But the good news is there are more options available to you. Among these, individual retirement accounts, IRAs, have become a favorite, with Americans storing an impressive $12.5 trillion in them. But which type of IRA is the best for you? Let's take a look at the options. There's a range of IRAs out there, but don't let fancy names confuse you. This is simpler than you may think. Now first, the traditional IRA. Think of this as the classic. You put in money before tax, and you only pay tax when you withdraw. Next is the Roth IRA, a bit different from the traditional IRA. You put in money after tax, and you don't pay taxes when you take money out after 59 and a half years. Simple enough, right? Because next is the SEP IRA. SEP means it's a Simplified Employee Pension Plan, which is an IRA that allows employers to contribute to IRA accounts they set up for employees. Thing is, though, contributions are limited and employees are not allowed to contribute to a SEP IRA. So if you don't know what this one is, then it likely does not apply to you. But the next one is a simple IRA, which is an acronym that means a Savings Incentive Match Plan for employees. This is ideal for small businesses wanting to help their employees save for retirement. And both employers and employees can make contributions to a simple IRA. But again, if you don't know what that is, then it likely may not apply to you. But it's these next few you may want to pay attention to. Because now we're looking at a rollover IRA. This is like transferring money from one pocket to another. You can move funds from one retirement plan to another, and in many cases, you can do it without penalties. That means you can fund a rollover IRA with money from a 401k, TSP, 403b, or 457 plan, or from a traditional Roth, Simple, or SEP IRA. A little fine print though, rollover IRAs will be either pre-tax, like in a traditional IRA, or post-tax, like in a Roth IRA. And the type of rollover IRA you can start will depend on what kind of funds you're rolling over. Now keep this one in mind because that brings us to another popular type of IRA. The Self-Directed IRA. This is an exciting one. It's kind of like you being in the driver's seat of your own money vehicle, giving you control that you might not have with other kinds of retirement accounts. So if you're looking for a way to protect any retirement savings you have without putting it into normal assets like stocks and bonds, and perhaps put a portion of it into physical gold and silver, then you may find this could be a pretty solid option for you. But don't expect to wing this one on your own. You'll want to find an expert to help you maximize the potential of your self-directed IRA. And we'll get into that in a moment, but let's take a look at the difference between the big two IRA types overall. If you're looking into IRAs, the big decision often boils down to traditional versus Roth. So look, traditional IRAs can give you tax benefits now, but you'll have to pay the piper when you withdraw in retirement. Yet with a Roth, you pay the taxes up front, but your future self can relax and withdraw tax-free. So as you can see, choosing the right IRA is a bit like selecting the perfect ice cream flavor. It's personal and depends on what you want for your future. Maybe you're looking at gold and silver for any number of reasons in which a self-directed IRA could be what you want. But deciding on that boils down to your financial circumstances and goals. Gold can offer price growth, wealth protection, and serve as a safe haven asset. If you sense a serious recession around the corner, gold could be your financial knight in shining armor. But if you're betting on a booming stock market and rapid economic growth, you might not see gold as anything more than a dead weight that holds its value. So that decision is up to you and what you see going on in the world today. But remember, having trusted partners can simplify the process of starting a self-directed IRA. like Goldco, with over $2 billion in precious metals placements and countless satisfied customers. They've built a reputation for top-notch customer service and high-quality precious metals products. And to help you make the best decision for yourself, they're offering a free wealth protection kit to arm you with every bit of knowledge you need to know to make the right decision. There's no obligation to do anything you don't want to, but at the very least, you should be educated about your options. And it's completely free to do that. So get your free wealth protection kit. Simply click on the link below or give Goldco a call today.